You can now view and share your Spotify Wrapped for 2022. If yours is not showing or not being displayed, I'll be giving you 3 ways you can fix this. If you're a return subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Spotify app on your mobile device, be it Android or iPhone. Tap on search and search for Wrapped. Right here, type Wrapped, WRAPPED. Choose the first option, 2022 Wrapped. Once you choose this, yours should be showing on your mobile device. From this, you can see how your Spotify roundup for 2022. It is an overview of everything you listened to on Spotify for the year 2022. Your most listened genre, what you listen to at different types of the day, your top 5 songs, top songs of 2022, your most played song, all of them will be showing right here. You can tap to add them to library, you can save them, you can share them, you can download them and replay. If this method is not working for you, if yours is still not displayed, head to the store, to the Play Store or iOS App Store and update your app. If yours is not updated, this open here will be updated. Tap on that. Once this app is updated, you will be able to see yours. If these 2 methods are not working for you, then you will need to uninstall Spotify on your mobile device. Make sure to reinstall it and reboot or restart your mobile device. With this, you should be able to see your 2022 Wrapped on Spotify. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.